Watch till the end to see the full creation of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber.
Workers unload large carbon fiber composite rolls, the raw foundation of the B-2 airframe, onto motorized platforms.
Scan complete, part number matches the manifest.
Okay, let's cross-check the stress fracture points on the diagram.
Ensure the leading edge is perfectly aligned.
Confirmed. Applying pressure with the automated roller now.
Check the flow rate on the starboard line. It seems unstable.
Adjusting now. Parameters confirmed. Trajectory is nominal.
All parameters are green for the B-2 composite.
Excellent. Finalizing the quality verification now.
The structural integrity looks nominal across the board, confirmed by the laser scan data here.
Verified. We are clear for the first layer assembly.
The curve looks perfect on the leading edge.
Agreed. Ready for the next phase.
Look at the microstructure right here. See that misalignment?
Yes, that's a structural defect. I'll flag it immediately.
We're clear on the laser guide. Go ahead and squeegee that down.
All right, making sure there are no voids near the edge.
Check the leading edge right here, station 42.
Scanning now. The data looks consistent with the model.
The tolerances here are tighter than the schematic suggests.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows a 3-micron variance on the leading edge.
Scan complete on the access panel.
Confirmed. All green, tolerance is met.
Looks good over here. The flow front is steady.
Confirmed. Pressure is holding perfectly.
Layer is down.
Confirmed. Scanning the batch number now for traceability.
Watch the clearance on the right side.
Clear on the left. We are aligned.
Roger that. Initiating seal sequence.
Clear the clamps on sector 7.
Clamps are free. Beginning the lift.
Watch the alignment. It's venting pressure.
What's the gauge saying on this section? 0.05 deviation. That's perfect.
How is the fit on the leading edge?
Laser scan confirms a perfect zero gap tolerance.
Secondary curing stage. Panels enter a secondary low-heat curing chamber for stabilization. B-2.
The scan looks clear on this section.
Waveforms are stable. Moving to the next segment.
Alignment differential is reading plus 0.002.
Applying micro adjustment now. Check the laser.
Surface alignment verified. Locking clamps.
Alignment looks good on the starboard side.
Confirmed. We have the green light for the final sequence.
All right, steady descent. Watch the alignment markers. Bring it home.
That'll 50 inch-pounds.
Verified, the route is secure.
Torque set. Did that register? Positive indication. We are secured here.
Check the thermal signature on sector 4 again.
Schematics show we need another layer here. The lining is too thin.
We are aligned on the forward mounts.
Copy that. Proceeding with final descent.
This actuator needs to be secured right here before the pressure check.
I'll use the torque wrench for that connection.
The schematic confirms the setting.
We have a delta of 0.02 here. The alignment is off.
All right, running the diagnostic again. Let's see if it holds.
Okay, the alignment looks good. Start the sequence.
Torquing the main bolts now.
Bring it down slowly, just a few more inches. Steady on the guide ropes. Clear on the starboard side, looks aligned.
Check electrical bus 1 status.
Primary relay engaged, reading nominal.
Affirmative. System check complete.
Pressure tests ensure the B-2's fuel bladders are perfectly sealed.
Final check on the actuators. Readings look good.
Confirmed. Landing gear secured.
We're showing green across the board now.
Affirmative. The inertial nav is fully aligned.
Acknowledged. Closing out the sequence.
The deep scan confirms the subsurface anomaly at bearing 270. The structure is definitely artificial.
Acknowledged. We need to alert the commander immediately.
Applying pressure. How are the strain gauges looking?
Holding steady at 95%. No anomalies detected. We have confirmation.
The heat signature remains remarkably low, even during that maneuver.
Confirmed. The dispersal technology is fully engaged.
Initiating inboard Elevon deployment now.
Reading smooth transition. Movement within tolerance, proceeding to full extension.
Flight control systems, nominal. Navigation systems, online. Weapon systems, active. All checks complete. The core systems are hitting peak threshold.
Rerouting power now. We have sync.
Check the ram coating right here, near the panel seam.
Reading nominal, no anomalies detected.
Upper fuselage clear.
Make sure the edges meet flush right here. Got it, looks good. That's the last one, give it a pull.
Solid, the seal is tight.
Flight, ground. Tow bar attached, locked, and secured. Hold the brakes, hold the brakes.
All right, easy roll now, 50 feet to the line.
All right, easy now, bring it down. Thumbs up, confirmed. Ramp secure, proceeding with relocation.
Subscribe and watch next. Subscribe to see the next aircraft build.